In this video, I am going to show you how to use DeepSeek AI on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for DeepSeek, then install and open the app. Next, sign in or create an account using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the chat screen. To start using it, just type your question in the text box and tap Send. You can also start a new chat or view past conversations anytime. For extra features, you can enable Deep Think mode for better answers, use web search for updated info, or upload images and documents to analyze. If you don't want to install the app, you can also use DeepSeek in your mobile browser by going to a web-based version and chatting there. That's it. You can now use DeepSeek anytime, right from your phone. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.